Hello guys, we're here at the Computer Science Building at Montgomery College Rockville campus. Let's go for a ride on the Crusty Rusty Lift. Okay, that's good. That's still there. Yeah, the alarms are slowly being replaced on campus, but they're being removed after 10 p.m. at night. They'll have to come back late. And here we are coming up to Crusty Rusty Lift. Here's one of the neutral alerts. One of the only non-modernized lifts on campus. But it needs it badly. But it has bumpers too. I like the fact that it still has a bumper. Let's watch the light go out. There it goes. But we're gonna end on G, where we got on it. We're back there at Crusty Rusty level. Leaking. That water fountain is brand new. That used to be an older non-ADA fountain. Older sign. And there's an AV32. Oh, they replaced this. This is a new button. It used to be a emergency stop button. Glad I filmed that when I did. And there goes the door.